Bullish Dogecoin. Doge cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.362514 and $0.684748 by 2030. Market investigators expect Doge could reach $0.281955 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.064447. Dogecoin. Doge presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge as a joke, because of the then uncontrolled digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being snide, certain individuals view it as a reasonable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's token and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013. It quickly settled its internet-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are expected to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Doge, distributed, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin. Doge works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an amusing image coin. A representation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in prevalence. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. 1. A center of allies actually exchange Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. Yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into dissemination as mining rewards is split at regular intervals and until all coins are given. So Dogecoin essential examination. It's memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange, most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to organizations. Hence, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by directing a proper major investigation and taking into account all the data accessible about the undertaking. Essential investigation is worried about deciding a resource's inherent worth. For instance, you can decide whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different interior and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is presently no rush toward an asserted hard cap. This balances out the organization's possibilities for what's to come. Thus, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing environment extension. Despite the fact that its initiation was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely practical money that can be utilized for regular consumptions. Dogecoin is presently worth $0.080559 United States dollars. Doge has moved 0.25% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $326,860,856. Dogecoin is right now position 9 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $10,879,039,635 United States dollars. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Dogecoin, Doge, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Doge, the Doge cost figure for 2023, expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.120838. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.112782 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon. given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.096670. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.201396. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Doge's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.161117 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.177229. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.281955 and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.257787 and a low of $0.241676 in 2025. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2026. In the event that Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.362514 with a base cost of $0.322234 and a typical cost of $0.338346. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.418905 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.402793 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of $0.443072. Dogecoin, Doge value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.499463. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.523631. Neglecting to accumulate the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.483352. Dogecoin, Doge value forecast 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.563910 and a yearly cost close above $0.6